In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the homepage on BigCommerce in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can make those updates easily and efficiently. Let's dive in. To start, open up your web browser and navigate to the BigCommerce website. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage with the login option at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on Login. If you're already familiar with BigCommerce, this process should look quite familiar to you. You'll find yourself on the login page where you need to fill in your credentials. Enter your email address and your password in the appropriate fields. It's always a good idea to double check that information to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and click on the Login button. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the BigCommerce dashboard. From here, your next step is to head over to the home page. You'll locate this by navigating to the storefront section. Click on Storefront to enter the main area where you can edit your store's look and feel. On the left hand side of the screen, look for the Homepage Carousel option and click on it. This is where you can make changes to your homepage content. The carousel is essentially a slideshow, and you have the flexibility to change images from slide 1 through slide 5. Select which slides you want to update, upload new images, and make your homepage visually appealing. Once you've made changes, it's crucial to remember to save them. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure that all your edits are applied. This step is important so you don't lose any of your work, but that's not all. If you'd like to update the text on your homepage, you also have the ability to make those adjustments right here. Simply locate the area where you can edit the text, make your necessary changes, and don't forget to hit Save again. Repeat this process for any additional text changes you want to make. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully edited your homepage on BigCommerce. Whether it's changing images or updating the text, following these steps will help keep your online store fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching and happy editing.